You need to hear this if you've ever popped a bottle and got a face full of fizz. Ever wondered why your drink burps louder than you? Stick around, science is about to get fizzy. Burps trick? CO2 pressure builds up inside your bottle, just waiting to explode when you twist that cap. Warmth turns up the burp, shaking wakes it up, science's true fizz champ. Got a tight seal? Loud burp. Loose seal? Total flop. Imagine a sneaky gremlin hiding inside, stealing your chance at a silent sip and unleashing chaos with every twist. Don't miss that pop, it's basically a brain hook. Watch again and catch the fizz. Burping bottles rule the fizz. Crack it. Drop your best burp fails in the comments. Like and join the fizz squad.